YouTube, what's happening? How y'all doing, man? I got a short video for y'all today. I'm recording on my phone, that's why my eyes look kind of crazy. But short video, the blower motor in the Tahoe was only working on 1 speed. AC worked real good in there, but I don't want it stuck on high all the time, so I'm gonna swap that joint out and take y'all along with me, show you what I got going on with it, and I'm gonna turn y'all around. Over here, some bag up, man. Yeah. But yo, I got another radiator cap for this truck too. My son's truck had his cap messed up on it. Check the cooler, you know. His cap messed up on his truck the other night, so we need to run to the store. I told Master just take the one out of my truck and roll on, and I'll order one for my truck. So order me AC Deco one off Amazon and fix this problem so he keep on rolling, because I don't never drive this truck unless it's the weekend or something. But I hardly ever drove it. I think I probably drove it 2 times since the last car show I went to. But yeah, I'm gonna put this take y'all with me, put this blower motor resistor in right quick. Y'all stay with me. Let me bag this truck out. Yeah, this is S10 right here. I built this one for him, but I had he was leaking out his cap on it, so I was just pressure testing the system to see how this joint doing. You can see it now, it's still holding pressure, so it's good. It was just the cap. When I checked it, it was just blowing straight by the cap. So, but yeah, this is a little truck. So I need to do a video on this truck. I ain't did it yet, but I got a lot of footage on it, so I may do a video one day if y'all want to see it. It's just a little 4-cylinder gas saver. So, but alright, y'all stay with me. Let me see if y'all can see up in there. My blower motor only works, AC only work on high. So I'm thinking it's the blower motor resistor up in there. That's what it's been on other vehicles in the past. So we're gonna pull that bad boy out, try to fix it. Cause it's cool, AC work real good in the truck, but I don't wanna ride around with it on high. It get too cold in this joint. So, alright, stay tuned. We're gonna pull this bad boy out. I had to get that bolt. There's 2 bolts up there, man. I don't know if y'all can see. But I got 2 of them to get. One on the left side, one on the right side. I'm gonna pull both of them out right quick. Move it. Alright, man, I got that joint out. And the only thing I can see is it got a little mark, like a little blemish right here. And that may mess with it. But either way it go, we got a new one. I know that's what's gonna fix the problem. But this junk old, look like probably original junk. 12 o'clock on this 4th of July weekend Saturday. So y'all know they test them sirens. So, but yeah, this junk way back up in there, but we got it out. Man, that's enough of that. Enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this bad boy out, and we're gonna go ride. Turn it down, and just like that. Y'all heard it, blend door and the motor and turn. And just like that, let me see. We got that bad boy in there. It's sitting there now. But at first, the air would only work on high. Now you hear it. It's super high. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that bad boy down. And we're gonna rock on, man. Get this Saturday on the way. So, alright. We back in business. Hope y'all can hear me over this fan, but we back in business. Put this glove box back on and see what it do.